In a world moved too fast, where machines work quicker than hands and screens shine brighter than human touch, there is something quite powerful about handmade craft. Today's craft is not just about decoration. It's not just about decoration. It is about patience, about memories, and about turning simple, forgotten things into something meaningful. I still remember how this craft began, not in a big studio, not with expensive tools, but with a small corner of a home, some natural materials, and a heart that wanted to create a few pieces of jewelry. Some dry twigs, maybe an old bottle, a cardboard base, or unused wood, things people usually throw away. But to a creator, nothing is ever useless. As the hands start working and mind slowly becomes calm, each knot of jute, each placement of a twig feels like stitching thoughts together. There is the magic of crafting. It teaches us that beauty does not need perfection, it needs intention. Look closely at this craft. You may see uneven lines, you may see natural textures, but that's what makes it real. Nature itself is never perfect, yet it is always beautiful. Every handmade piece carries a story. Sometimes it reminds us of childhood when we created things without worrying about likes, views, or trends. Sometimes it feels like a quiet conversation between our hands and our heart. Crafting is a relaxation. Crafting is many more about yourself. Hope you're enjoying this video. We are trying to show you beautiful crafty ideas, either it's twig with jute, wall hanging, home decor. So let's tell a story about it. Once in a quiet home filled with the sunlight and silence, there lived a pair of hands that loved to create. They were not famous hands, they did not belong to an artist known by the world, but they carried something very precious. Every morning these hands would gather simple things, a piece of jute, a fallen twig, an empty bottle, something broken, something forgotten, things others no longer needed, but to these hands nothing was ever useless. Crafting began slowly, not with a plan, not with perfection, but with the feelings of wanting to turn silence into beauty. As the hands worked, the world outside seemed to pause. No noise, no rush, only the sound of creativity breathing. Each knot tied in the jute felt like tying thoughts together. Each twig placed gently felt like giving a second life to nature. Craft was not just decoration, it was a conversation between the heart and the hands. Sometimes the glue did not stick, sometimes the snap